Ginger, did you have a good time at the groomers?
Ginger, how was the groomers today?
Gingy! Ginger! Look at me! You're such a bitch!
Okay, go ahead and jump and oh, dang it. Dang it. Back it up and jump and dang it. Okay. Come on, elephant. We're going to run. And wait a second. Let's see.
Oh! Your boys on with your daddy, cause you bad as hell. Get off my couch! Get off my couch and stop talking back!
Zoom, zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoom is off forever. My zoom is off.
Looks like future lawsuits waiting to happen. Who wouldn't be scared playing with a group like this? Bring a deck of cards if you dare.
Bang bang!
Excuse me, Miss Lady, did you climb into that bowl? It's not a jacuzzi. Come on out. That sounds like she said no.
In the rain.
Some swimmers don't wait for sunny skies to start their journey.
She's trying to swim.
Huh?
Hey, ma'am. I know you enjoyed those leaves, but can you leave them outside, please?
Okay.
Thank you.
Mama. Good boy. Mama.
Someone is taking the job of protecting their personal property very seriously.
Bye. Bye. Love you. Come back.
What the heck?
No, I don't care. You're not coming in here. Bro, cuss at me one more time. Oh,
Marley, no! Marley, no! Help, Marley! Marley!
When you remember who really runs the house,
Huh?
Hey, knock it off a minute. You can play in a minute. Theodore, trying to get a family photo.
He's gonna accidentally step on him.
this puppy clearly doesn't understand the concept of size difference.
Hendrix, come get in the bed. Hendrix, don't get in the bed. Lay down. Good boy. No. That's not him hitting his head. Hendrix, don't bark at me. I said lay down. I don't care if you throw a tantrum. Who are you growling at? I said it's time to go to bed. Get in the bed. Don't huff at me. Don't huff at me.
Come on.
Every family has someone who loves to compete.
Go, Moose.
Oh God.
What is something that your dog does that you just don't even think twice about, but anytime anyone else sees it, it's kind of shocking or weird? I'll go first.
No. No.
Be honest, did he just make better arguments than you expected?
No. No.
Jack, are you okay? Jack, I can take the sweater off if you don't like it. Jack? Jack?
Bueno, es hora de que ya salga la piscina.
Ya, más piscina, más piscina.
Frida, oiga.
Chicle, una vaina que no me deja ni en el parque, ni en la casa, ni en la cama. Dios mío.
Give him a raise. He's just making sure your haircut is perfectly even. I bet she's dreaming of becoming a professional dancer.
Oh, they better use this racetrack that we made for them. Here they come. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Do not take a tell. It is not summertime. It's not summertime.
Pino is willing to give up the whole world, just not this.
Hang on a second. Is this what I think it is?
Their first lesson in sharing.
Is this a sweet treat? Because it looks like a sweet treat and it...
No, Cash, stop. Cash, stop doing that. Stop. No, Cash. I'm not letting you do that. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Get on up there.
When the food is so good, you forget about gravity.
Jack. Jack, are you mad at me? Jack!
No!
Come here.
Jack, come here, baby.
Come here.
Okay. Oh, he's so scared.
Open the door, or my lawyer will be in touch.
Hey! Oh my God, that's not finished. Peanut!
No. Shut up. Stop start talking back to me. You better start talking back to me.
This dog is putting in the effort to legally amend the house rules.
Before we get out of the car and take you for a walk, okay? Alright? If I say, Wilson, wait, yeah? And if I say, Wilson, no, don't chase that other dog.
He's reminding you that sharing is not part of his personality.
Oh, Princess. Princess, where are you?
Pancake. Huh? What are you doing?
He ate, I guess, a lot of munch. What you talking about, huh, girl? Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Well, I gotta cut their nails. I've been saying that, but I'm gonna cut them for sure. Mr. Butter knocked out. I gotta clean up this coop. Oh, I didn't woke you up. But say hey. Say what up, TikTok? How you doing? How you doing? Okay, girl. Oh, you jumping for the camera? Hey.
Nunca pensé sentir esto tan rápido.
That's how dogs say, I'm hungry.
Otra vez tengo hambre. Dame pollito.
Thanks for watching. We hope this video brought you some joy and relaxation. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss the next one. See you in the next video.